You are in trouble. You pray, meditate, and fast, but you're still worried. Greetings to you, my beloved soul sisters and brothers. Welcome back to our channel, and I'm truly grateful to have each one of you tuning in today. Our affirmative and meditative words echo within our ancestors' voices and are designed specifically for you facing challenges in the diaspora. So close your door, sit in a quiet place in your room, and be calm. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. In and out. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And repeat after me. Ashe. 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 Om. 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 Visualize yourself alone in the cloud. Visualize yourself alone in the cloud. Visualize yourself alone in the cloud. Acknowledging your strength. We understand that life in the diaspora can be a roller coaster of experiences. But always remember, you are resilient beyond measures. Your ancestors carried the torch of strength through generations, and that strength flows through you. You are a cosmic child of the universe. You must not be defeated. Be the warrior of the concrete jungle where you are. Be calm. Calm down. Calm down. Take a deep breath. In and out. And repeat after me. Ashe. 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 Om. 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 Self-love and healing. Take care of your mental and emotional well-being, which are very essential. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Calm down. Calm down. And repeat after me. I am worthy of love, happiness, and healing. I honor my journey, and I am deserving of all things good. Inhale the air around you and exhale. Om, 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 Om. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Embracing your identity. Don't let anyone dim the divine light within you. Remember, your heritage is a tapestry of culture, resilience, and strength. Say it with me. I am proud of my roots, and I stand tall in my uniqueness. Take a deep breath. In and out. Calm down. Calm down. Relax. And know who you are in this universe. Relax. Know thyself. Know thyself. Overcoming challenges. Challenges may come your way, but they are opportunities for growth. Breathe in deeply and affirm with me. I am a conqueror. I overcome obstacles with grace and resilience. Om, Om, Om. Ashe, Ashe, Ashe. Building your own community. You are never alone on this planet. The forces that guide the stars, the ocean, the birds, the plants, the animals, guides you too. The more we come together in unity, the happier we will become. And we can only achieve greatness and overstanding by joining our hands and minds together as one united souls. I now conclude. Thank you for spending the time with me today. And always remember, you are never alone on this journey. Keep this affirmation close to your heart and return to them whenever you need a boost. And before you go, let me just share this golden opportunity with you on how to become an online entrepreneur making 6 or 7 figures through our automated system 24/7 non-stop. And for more information, please register for our free webinar. I repeat, it's a free webinar at www.kwamepradeepkuewor.com. I repeat, www.kwamepradeepkuewor.com. I will drop the link below. Now, stay blessed. Stay beautiful. I'm sending you love, positive energy, and inner strength. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. Goodbye. Om, Om, Om. Ashe, 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 Ashe. Mm.